Hey guys, Jasoris here from Shanghai Silk Road International Trading Company, and in this video I would like to talk about this interesting question I received. Can I open a grocery store in China? Uh, yeah, you can. Short answer is of course you can start a grocery store in China. So what are the conditions? I briefly explain. In one of my videos about starting a restaurant in China, I mentioned that there are two stages. Stage one is registering a company and getting a general business license. And once you get your general business license, you can apply for food and beverage license, which is additional to your general business license. Okay. So type of company you will have for grocery store is WFOE, wholly foreign owned enterprise, which is 100% owned by foreign citizens, foreign shareholders. Of course, this is in case where you don't have a local partner. Okay, in some cases, foreigners have this friend in China, a local friend, Chinese citizen, and they just do it as a partnership company. Okay, or they register a company for their Chinese friend and then do business like that. It's not a problem like that. If you do that. If you use that path, of course, yeah, things are much easier because your Chinese partner can take care, legally speaking, they can take care of things, and then they can register the company and get all the license much quicker, much easier. Okay, but if you don't have a Chinese partner, you want to own the business 100% yourself, then you will have to register a wholly foreign owned enterprise, WFOE, and then get your general business license. And after that, you can apply for food and beverage license. And yeah, you can start your own grocery store and import and export groceries from and to China. Okay, the procedure is like that. It takes around 2 months to do that. Okay, 1 month for your general business license and around 1 month to get your business license, the food and beverage license. And of course, time can be reduced. It can be even less than that. I'm just trying to give you the maximum time. Okay, it takes around 2 months. And what kind of products can you deal with? It's basically food and beverage, any type of product. Okay, any type. Uh, Drinks, of course, alcohol drinks as well. You can import and export. It can be included in the food and beverage license, like wine, whiskey, etc. And daily groceries, basically. Why people are interested? Let me mention that as well. Most of the people who want to open grocery stores are from those countries which consume their own food, basically, and plus there are huge, at least greater number of people who are from that country. For example, people from Pakistan in China, they're rising. The number of people who come from Pakistan are rising. Why? Because Pakistan is China's, one of the major allies. So there are a lot of students who come from Pakistan or from India. I don't know. The reasons can be different, but I'm not touching those subjects. But I'm just merely saying that there are so many people from those countries and from African countries sometimes. So people want to have their own grocery stores, so just to have access to their own food and products, etc., etc. You can do that, yeah. So procedure is very simple. It's not very hard. Uh, Please let us know if you have any questions about this. We can help you register a company and then eventually open your grocery store in China. We can help you A to Z. If you don't have WeChat, we suggest you download WeChat and then add us to your contacts, and then you can ask questions, we can talk. First one is our individual account. Second one is our official page on WeChat. WeChat is the mostly used social networking platform. If WhatsApp is very famous outside China, WeChat is the most famous in China. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can send through WeChat or ask via email or give us a call or just add this phone number, and then you can try to add us on through this number. You can try to add us on WeChat or WhatsApp or Telegram. Okay, thank you.